Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your Colmi P8 Smartwatch. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to have the quick tutorial on how to set the time of your Colmi P8 Smartwatch. Alright guys, so we have already downloaded the Fit application, so let's just click on that, and as you can see here, this time it's already 7:27 p.m. but in our smartwatch it is still 10:01 p.m. so we are going to just connect it, guys. So all we just have to do is click this part here. Okay, click the middle icon here, and we are going to add the device. Okay, so it already detected our smartwatch, and let's just wait. So we have already connected our P8 smartwatch, and as you can see, the time is already set. Okay, so it's already the same. So it's just how easy it is, guys, to set the time of your Colmi P8 smartwatch. And guys, just a reminder, you really cannot set your Colmi P8 smartwatch without connecting it to the application. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.